Hey guys, Rachel here with WTI. This is my husband's Yeti Rambler. He loves it. He takes it everywhere. If you're looking for a way to stay hydrated, you need this. So he has the 36 ounce Yeti Rambler bottle in the color Camp Green. It's such a nice color. And what's great about this Yeti is it's such good quality. Of course, it doesn't leak. We have probably too many Yetis, but we just love this brand so much. He really likes the chug cap. It's so much easier to drink from. You don't end up spilling water all over yourself, and it seals really well. So again, it doesn't leak. He lives in a really hot environment, and this Yeti keeps his cold drinks ice cold for the entire day. The cap is also really comfortable when you're walking. It's easy to hold. We've taken this on so many adventures, and it's incredibly durable. And it's also super stylish. This will keep your liquids incredibly cold or hot. You gotta try this Yeti Rambler. I love it. My husband loves it, and that's our point of view.